students can learn the Python, guys. Any BTech students or MCA students or post-graduation students who are currently pursuing the BTech or MCA degree, guys, those all people can learn this Python. So just if you want to becoming like a software engineer, okay, you can choose any one programming language, and you can get the jobs, guys, by learning properly. So out of all the languages, so we have so many languages, Python, Java, .NET, like several languages there. Out of all languages, Python is the more simplest one, easy to learning, easy to write the coding also. These all points one by one we'll discuss. Simply who can learn means any graduate students can learn. Okay, anyone can learn without having any prior coding knowledge. Some people thinking like I don't have any computer knowledge. Okay, am I able to learn this Python like that? Getting some doubts, guys. So no doubt at all, guys. Directly you can join the Python and you can understanding. Compared to the Java, .NET, Python related, directly you can join. For example, if you want to learn the Java course, before the Java C language people are learning, and then next Java related course learning. So for learning the Python, no need to learn the C language. Directly you can join to the Python and you can understanding code. Okay, so end of this course, guys. 40 days we are planning this session. So end of the course, you are only going to write the coding related to your task. Task based logics how we are writing, you are able to create. Okay, number of task based solutions I will provide you. This is my task how to write the coding for that, like that I will explain number of programs. So end of the course, you are only going to write the programs. Understand this one? Okay. So next, with the zero knowledge, guys, you can join, and end of the course, you'll get hero knowledge, guys, definitely. Okay, damn sure. And why Python demand in the IT industry, guys? Why Python is having demand in the IT industry? So this is you need to understanding. So Python has most promising career opportunities, guys. If you are learning the Python language, it has most promising career opportunities. What are those career opportunities? We'll discuss one by one. And also Python is providing so many popular features. Because of Python features, this Python is having more demanding in the IT industry. Okay, na? So what are the Python features? We'll discuss. And one more point, in IT industry, guys, different domain-based applications are developing, like ML related, data science related, web development related, cyber security related, DevOps related, automation related, like that. For these all courses or for these all kind of applications, if we want to developing, Python is commonly required. So these all courses, guys, these all platforms, data science, AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning, cyber security, these all are everyday popularity increasing, guys. These all platforms related popularity increasing every day. So these all popularity increasing means Python popularity also increasing. Why means in these all courses, Python commonly used. Okay, so that's why in your resume, if you are adding Python language as your primary language, guys, Python language if you are adding, then number of companies people looking for you, guys, and they are scheduling interviews for you, and they are testing your knowledge, and they are giving offer to you if you are giving better performance in the interviews. Understanding? So, what are the promising career opportunities there? These all we'll discuss. I mean, simply here, if you are learning Python, a lot of vacancies there, guys. Different domain-based vacancies there. So, data science applications related people. I mean, in one company, for example, Infosys. Infosys company people developing the applications using data science. Okay, data science related. Then those that Infosys company people also hiring Python developers. Next, TCS company developing the DevOps related application. So TCS people also focusing on the Python learners, guys. Next, one more, for example, Accenture, Wipro, like several companies there. In each company, different domain-based applications developing. There's all people focusing on the Python learners or Python developers. So that's why number of opportunities we are going to get if you are learning the Python, guys. Okay, and one more simple feature is Python is more simple and easy to write the code, guys. Python is more simple and easy to write the code. Okay. Yes, I'll let you know those all points. And if you're having any queries, guys, in the chat box, post it. I'll give you the clarification. Okay. And your doubts in English, you can post, guys. So a lot of people post in the form of Hindi language. So post in English format. Okay. Yes. So Python is simple and easy to write. I said, how can you say Python is simple and easy to write? For example, I want to print hello message, guys. Hello message I want to print using Python. Using Python, if you want to print, so in Python we have a print function. So inside this print function, hello message, if we are writing, then directly this hello message we are able to see as a output. Single line, guys. Print hello, then we are able to see the hello output. So print is a function, we can print the required message on the screen. That's it, a simple line. So I said Python is simple and easy to write the code. A single line I created and easily created, guys. So the same hello message using Java, if we want to create, for example, you can see, guys, in Java, so you're going to write these all lines of code. Class followed by class name followed by curly braces. So here class is a keyword, guys. So what is a keyword? What is the purpose of the class keyword? First of all, you have to understand. And a sample is a class name. What is a class name? And how to creating this class name? For creating class names, guys, some identifier rules there. Class is an identifier. What is identifier? What are the identifier rules? These all things, first of all, we require to learn. Then only we are creating the class name. And curly brace having some meaning. Inside that, some group of statements we can write, guys. Group of statements we can write it. Okay. Next here, public, static, void, main, string, aux, like we are writing. So this is one keyword. In this place, public we can write, private we can write, protect we can write. These all things called as access modifiers. When we are using public, when we are using private, when we are using protect, these all we have to learn separately. Then only you are able to write this coding, guys. And here main is one method. What is method? How to creating method? And this is one predefined class, system class. Out is object. Inside that, println is a method. Using this method, you are going to print a hello message. And a semicolon also required, guys. This is also having meaning. Semicolon representing termination of this line. Termination of the line. So if you knows about these all terminologies, then you are able to print hello. So if you are choosing Java language, guys, if you are choosing Java language, you have to learn these all concepts separately. Class, keywords related, identifiers related, access modifiers related, methods related, and all. So then you are able to print a hello. Okay. But if you are choosing Python, simply what is the print function? If you know, that's enough. You can print a hello message. That's why we can say it, Python is more simple and easy to write the code. More simple to learn and more easy to write the coding. All of you understanding? This is one basic example. Now, one major project, if you want to develop using the Java, guys, for example, 1,000 lines of code, 1,000 lines of code is required. The same project using the Python, if you want to develop, then less than 500 lines of code is enough. Less than 500 lines of code is enough. Okay, that much difference is there, guys, compared to the other languages using Python. So less lines of code, if we are writing within the less time, we can develop it. And less lines we are writing means within the less time we are developing. So less time means duration of the coding saving, duration of the project saving. Duration saving means obviously cost of the project saving. Okay, and also a lot of burden reducing on the developers, guys. So why means in Python so many ready-made modules there and third-party modules also there. I will explain about them separately. So because of these all ready-made modules, we are going to get reusability code. Instead of recreating, just we are going to reusing. Okay, so that is the one of the biggest advantage by using the Python, guys. Okay, now? So yesterday just a demonstration conducted, guys. Not uploading any material. So today after this session completing, so you will receive the material. Okay, YouTube link I given for registration, how to registering in Ashok IT for free session or for backup videos. You can follow that, and there you can access material after registration, completing our free registration or paid registration, whatever you want. Okay. So only for paid registration, backup videos, these all things you'll get it, and free registration, directly material you can access it. Okay. And also WhatsApp link I given initial sessions. I will post materials in the WhatsApp group also, guys. So from there also you can get it. Later onwards, from the Ashok IT portal only, you people can access it. Understanding? Yes. Okay. So next, Python is a general purpose programming language. I said this is one point, guys. So how can you say means already I said for learning these all kind of courses, Python is commonly required. So that's why we can say it. Python is a general purpose programming language. Okay, na? So no need of discussing again and again these points. So these all separate courses, guys. You can join separate course if you want. So for learning these all things, this knowledge is very important. Python knowledge is very important. And next, Python is a dynamic programming language, guys. Python is a dynamic programming language. What is the meaning of dynamic programming? Okay, so that is you have to understand. And when you are attending interviews, also people are asking question related to this one. Is Python dynamic programming language or not? Yes, Python is a dynamic programming language. How can you say? So in Python, guys, in Python, if we want to create data in a variable, simply variable name equal to variable value. This syntax we are using, guys. This syntax we are using. Variable name equal to variable value related syntax we are using. Okay, no? So now here some a equal to 10, I'm creating. So 10 is a value. This 10 I'm assigning to this variable, guys. This is a variable name, this is a value. So whenever executing this line in Python memory allocation, so when memory is creating inside this memory 10 value storing, and then this is representing or assigned to this a variable. Simply reference variable is a. So next, by using this a, we can access in this memory whatever the value is there, guys. Okay, na? Remember that one. So when this line is executing in Python memory allocation, so like this generating, using this variable reference, we can access this memory related value. So here, based on the value type, how much memory is required, that is automatically deciding by Python at runtime dynamically. That's why we can consider like a Python is a dynamic programming language. If it is an integer number, then integer type memory creating. If it is a float number, float type memory creating. If it is a string data type, then a string type related memory creating. So based on the given data, at runtime memory deciding and creating. So this is called a dynamic programming language. Before the variable name, we are not going to representing any data type. Okay, these kind of programming languages are called as dynamic programming languages. Which languages are following the dynamic memory allocation? Then those programming languages are, those programming languages are called as dynamic programming languages. If it is a Java, guys, if it is a Java, so data type followed by variable name equal to variable value semicolon. This syntax we are following. For example, in Java, int is one data type. Int a equal to 10 and a semicolon also we require to write. Next here int b equal to 20.50 if I'm writing. So in this b variable, what type of value expecting? Integer type value expecting. But what type of value assigning? Float type value assigning. So expecting integer type, but assigning float type. So this is the wrong statement. Error throwing, exception throwing, guys here. Okay, so here integer type expecting integer type value only assigning, then this is correct line only. So it means guys, before assigning the value to a variable, what type of value is required into this variable, that is deciding by using this data type in Java. Okay, these kind of programming languages are called as static programming languages. Are you clear? So in Python, no worries about the memory allocation, guys. No worries about the memory allocation. For example, one more small point you can see. So here a equal to 10 I'm writing. Next b equal to 20.50 I'm writing. Okay. So for a related, I mean a is what integer memory. This size memory is enough for storing this value and referencing to this a assumption, and this is a float value assumption. For float this size memory is are required. Then the proper memory is creating and storing the value and referencing by b, like that. Okay, in Python, based on the value automatically memory deciding and creating. If it is a Java, guys, if it is a Java, int a equal to 10 I'm writing. Next int b, not int here, long we can use long b equal to 10 I'm writing. And next float also there, float c equal to 10. And the next double also there, guys, double d equal to 10. So here these all are different data types into long, float to double. So in all data types, guys, 10 value only storing. For storing the 10 value, I used here int type. This size memory is enough, and here value 10 storing. Next, because of the long, guys, because of the long, this size memory is creating. So here also 10 only we are storing. Here also 10 only we are storing. And next float related, this size memory creating, and here also 10 only storing. And next double related, big size memory creating, and here also 10 only storing. So for storing this 10 value, this size memory is enough. This size memory is enough. So this entire memory is wasting. Instead of int, if I'm using double for storing this 10 value, then more memory is occupying, more memory is allocating. And in that only we are occupying this size memory only. So remaining memory is wasting. It means as a developer, we are only required to focus, we are only focusing how much memory is required for storing a particular value. Nothing but memory management is a developer responsibility only. As a developer, we are only responsible for managing the memory in Java, guys. If it is a Python, no worries about this memory management. Based on your given value, how much memory is required, automatically deciding by Python and creating. Okay, that's why reducing lot of burden on the developers while creating data on the memory. Okay, this is one of the biggest advantage. Are you clear this one? Okay, so topic by topic we are discussing it. So these all are basic concepts. So these all you will get in the material also. So here those all points related explanation are given. Okay, na? So here the depending on the given data type, memory is deciding. So same 10 value storing purpose double if using, then big size memory creating, int if using, this size memory creating. So unnecessarily wasting memory if you are using like that. That's why as a developer we have to put some concentration on the data types, and we can use properly for storing the value. In Python not like that, directly based on the value deciding the memory. So that's why Python is considered like a dynamic programming language. Java is like a static programming language. Okay, na? So remember, guys. Next, Python is a portable language, guys. Python is a portable language, or also called as cross-platform language. What is the portable meaning means? So if we are developing one application using the Python scripting, guys, without doing any coding changes in that application, the same application in Windows OS, in Linux OS, in Mac OS, in all the platforms we can execute. For example, this is a Windows system, this is a Linux system, this is a Mac system. Same application in all the platforms we can execute without doing any coding changes. So that is called as a portable. That is called as portable. Python is a portable language. It means using Python language, If we are developing any application, that application can execute in Windows platform, can execute in Linux platform, can execute in Mac OS and all. Okay, no? So this is also one of the biggest future, guys. Yes, here I'm rejecting your request, and again people are sending the request. Okay, so don't do like that. Okay, again here some people opening their cameras, so please turn off your cameras, guys. So after this session over, I'll clarify your doubts. Okay, just wait some time. After this 7 p.m., I'll interact with you guys. So Python is a portable language. I said about this portable related. And next, a lot of features there, guys. Python is a free and open source. Python is a free and open source language. So no need to pay any amount to the any company. Freely we can download this Python and we can install it. And it is also open source, guys. Means so Python language related documentation. So we are able to see what methods there, what classes there, okay, what are the module there in this Python language. Everything we can read it. Okay, that is a free and open source related, guys. Okay, now so next one of the biggest advantage is Python is providing modules, guys. So many modules. Python is providing so many modules. Because of these modules, our Python language is getting more demanding. These modules, several types there, guys. Several types there. So later, separately module chapter is there. There we'll discuss more clearly. So right now here, along with the Python software, some predefined modules are coming. Along with the Python software, some predefined modules are coming. So we can use those all modules and we can reuse it without recreating the coding. Just we are going to reusing. So different modules there, guys. Number of modules there, hundreds of modules there in Python. As per the requirement, whatever the modules we required, those modules related we are learning and we can use them. And Python is also providing third-party modules. Python based so many third-party modules also there. Third-party modules means someone developing some modules and they kept in the internet. From the internet we are downloading and we can use those modules for developing our required modules. As a developer, we are going to create our own user-defined modules. So in our user-defined modules, depending on the situation, we can use free-defined modules, we can use third-party modules. Okay, n number of third-party modules there. For example, Django is one third-party module, NumPy is a third-party module, Pandas is a third-party module. Depending on the requirement, we can use, guys. We can download and we can use it. Okay, because of these all modules, guys, 70 to 80% of the code ready-madely we are getting without recreating. Just we are going to reusing. Okay, so many popular modules there. For example, NumPy module, Pandas module, and request module, guys. Okay, NumPy, Pandas, request, Flask, okay, like this, several modules there. These all are third-party modules. Some modules along with the software coming, for example, OS, operating system module, RE, regular expression related module, JSON related module, okay, OS module, RE module, JSON module, mathematical operations related math module, sys module, system related. Okay, like so many modules there, guys, along with the Python software coming, along with the Python software. For example, date, time, system date and time related. If you want to work with, that in our application, then we can use the date time module. Only time related if we want to use a time module is there, and calendars related if we want to use a calendar module is there, guys. So these all are predefined modules. Okay, so module is nothing but like one folder you can consider. So here number of classes there, number of methods there. So we can use these all things as per our requirement, and we can write the logics. Okay, these all in our coming sessions are going to discuss in this. Okay, depending on the requirement, depending on the task.
ଝିଅକୁ ପଚାରିଲେ କହୁଛି ଏଇଟା ସେଟ୍ କଣ ସେଟ୍ ଝିଅକୁ ପଚାରିଲେ କହୁଛି ସିଏ ମତେ ଫୋନ କରି ପଚାରିଲେ ନା କଣ ପଚାରିଲା କଣ ତା ଝିଅ ମତେ ଫୋନ କରିଥିଲା ବୁଝିଲ କଣ କହିଲା କଣ ତା କହିଲା ମତେ ବୁଝା ପଡିଲା କାଲି କହିଲେନି ନାଇଁ କହିଲା ବୋଧେ ଆଉ ମୁଁ କହିଲି କି
Yes, guys. Okay, remember these all points. So because of these all features, guys, Python is having demanding, and one more feature, Python is supporting, guys. Python is supporting all major databases, supporting all major databases. So using Python, if we want to develop any application, for that application purpose, if we want to use any database, we can use Python with MySQL, Python with Oracle, Python with PostgreSQL, Python with MongoDB, like any database we can use. Okay, it is supporting to all major databases. For every database related separate module is there. So which database we want to interact, that database related modules we are installing, and we can interact to that particular database. For example, in my system, I have a MySQL database installation, I have Oracle installation, I have MongoDB installation. So here my Python scripting is there. Python scripting is there. So Python to MySQL or Python to Oracle or Python to MongoDB, if I want to interacting, separate modules we are installing, using those modules we can connect to the particular database for managing the data of our application. Our application related data, creating, updating, deleting, accessing, all CUD operation kind of things, we can do it. Okay, coming days, we have a database chapter separately, Python with the database. There, I'll explain more clearly how interacting to database, how accessing data, how updating, deleting, everything we will discuss in this chapter, guys. Got it, guys? So remember this all things. And Python is a object-oriented programming language, guys. Python is a object-oriented programming language, and the next Python is a functional oriented programming language. Python is a scripting oriented programming language. Okay, so we can consider, guys, Python is a object oriented programming language, functional oriented programming language, scripting oriented programming language. Okay, we'll discuss about that one. So object oriented means we have a OOPS principles, guys, like a C++, Java languages supporting the OOPS principles, class concepts, method concepts, object concepts, OOPS principles like inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, abstraction, more popular features there. Okay, real world things we can define using these object oriented concepts, so more programmatically. So in Python also we can write the coding using the object oriented programming techniques. Okay, so like a C++, Java, in Python also we can do this coding, object oriented coding, and like a C language, functional oriented programming techniques also we can write in Python. In C language, guys, functional oriented techniques only we are able to write. In C++, Java, object oriented techniques we can write. But in Python, both object oriented, both functional oriented techniques we can write as per the requirement. And we have a shell script language, parallel language, PRL, parallel language is there. So those languages, using those languages, we can write the scripting oriented techniques. So in Python also we can write the scripting oriented techniques, guys. So it means, guys, from the popular languages, here C language, C++ language, shell script language, like several languages there. from these all popular languages, so different popular features taking and merging as these all popular features took and merge into the Python language, merging into the Python language. That's why this Python is having more demanding. So in this Python language, C related C language, C language related functions concept available, and C++ related objects concepts available, guys. Oops related concepts. Okay, simply. And next shell script separate language there, or Perl language also there. So from this scripting oriented techniques also accessing, and these all features merging in this Python. So that's why this Python language is getting more demanding nowadays. So multiple languages related all the features merging in this single language. Understanding? Not only this modular oriented language there, like a modular 3 language there. So from that modular techniques also accessing and merging into the Python. So like that, from the different languages, popular features accessing and merging into the Python language is. That's why this Python is having more demanding nowadays. Understand this one? Okay. So remember, guys, these all points for this today's session. Okay. So later session, some more advantages, some more futures we'll discuss. And after that, Python history we'll discuss. Python versions, what are the versions available, what is the latest version, and real-time industry versions, what using, industry people using what are the versions for developing their applications. These all things later session. Tomorrow session I'll complete it. Okay, up to that one basic idea you will get related to Python. Okay, and also guys, compared to the other languages, Python is having more popular ratings, guys. For example, we have one site here, TIOB, like one site is there. So when you are opening this site, so here top 20 languages related ratings providing. So Python having toppest rating 25 rating is there, guys, and the change growth also +9 there, guys. So Java you can see, guys, here. So 9 point ratings there, and the change growth 0 point something there. So C++, second position, C is the third position. Okay, C sharp means .NET related, JavaScript related. So like that ratings providing. So on which regions, guys, on which factors providing ratings here means, so every year averagely how many people are learning this particular Python, how many people are applying for Python related jobs, and so many popular search engines there, like Google, Amazon, Wikipedia, like so many popular search engines there. In these search engines, about which languages related people are searching, following the videos related to which language, and LinkedIn profile, Naukri profile, popular profiles there, websites there, guys. There for which language related jobs, okay, looking. I mean, people are looking for which jobs related, applying for which jobs related. So these all things calculating as averagely salaries also, averagely, guys, year wise average salaries on which technology people are getting. So several factors focusing and providing the ratings. Okay, so here the graphs also there, guys. So 20 years back, Java rating here is there. Okay, more than 25 rating is there, 26 rating there, guys. So till now this is only toppest rating. Now slowly here the now Java rating here is there. So when coming to the Python here, 20 years back, so here their rating, and now Python rating here is there, guys. So, okay, Java rating here is there, like this going on, and the Python growth like this going on. Why means, so here the data science related, machine learning, cyber security, web development related, DevOps related, these all are getting everyday popularity, guys. So these all courses getting popularity means Python also getting more popularity. What is this one? So like this number of websites there, guys, are providing the ratings to the top 20 languages. In every website you are able to see Python only having topest rating. Okay, so Python with Django, for example, if you are learning Python with Django, guys, so many web applications we can develop it. Already developed applications there, top popular applications there. Instagram application, everyone knows about the Instagram. So Instagram application, Python with Django developed, guys. YouTube application Python with Django developed. Okay, Disqus application Python with Django, Spotify application Python with Django developed, Bitbucket Python with Django developed, guys. Washington Post channel, news channel related Python with Django developed. So like so many popular applications there. Mozilla Firefox browser also second worldwide second most popular browser Mozilla, that is also with Python and Django developed. Okay, so web applications related I'm talking. So in these all applications development purpose, Python is commonly required. So that's why nowadays all the people focusing Python, Python, Python. If you are a fresher, guys, if you are a fresher, 100% you can choose Python. And even you are having experience, so nowadays a lot of people are choosing this Python, and they are adding this Python skill in their resume. I means after getting some experience, people are moving to the platforms, guys, like DevOps platform or some other cloud-based platforms. In these all cloud platforms, Python also using. That's why experienced people also learning this Python course. Understanding? Okay. So I'll stop this session here. I'll interact with you guys. And some people after 7 having DevOps course, guys. So right now I'm going to discussing only doubt clarification. If you want, you can leave the class and you can join to that class. Okay? Yes. Thank you.
କଲେ ବି ଆମେ କେତେ ଦିନ ୟୁଜ କଲେ? ଡିସେମ୍ବର ତ ନଭେମ୍ବର ତ ଗଲେ,
Recording stopped.
ସରି ଡିସେମ୍ବରରେ ଗଲେ, ଆସିଲେ 1.5 ମାସ ପରେ ଆସିଲେ, ଦଶହରା ପରେ ଆସିଲା ପରେ
Yes,
ସଜାଡ଼ିଥିଲେ,
yes. Do you have any
ଅକ୍ଟୋବର
queries?
ପରେ ଆସିଲା ପରେ ଆମେ
Yes,
ସଜାଡ଼ିଲେ,
Vishal.
ସଜାଡ଼ିଲେ କେତେ ଦିନ ରହିଲେ? ଆମେ ମାସଟେ ରହିଲେ ପଳେଇଲେ
Portable
ଘରକୁ।
means using the Python if we are developing any application without doing any coding changes. Same application in Windows application, in Linux,
ଆମେ କେତେ
in
ଦିନ ରହୁଛେ?
Windows
ସେ ସମୟରେ ତ
platform, in
ଗିଜର
Linux
ଦରକାର ହିଁ ନଥିଲା ନା,
platform, in Mac
ଆମେ
platform, anywhere
ସଜାଡ଼ିଲେ
we
ଗିଜର
can
ଆମକୁ
execute
ଦରକାର ହିଁ
it.
ନଥିଲା, ମାନେ ଅଛି।
Okay, and regarding this,
ବାବା ମାସେ
what
ବୋଲି
is
ସଜାଡ଼ିଲେ,
teach in
ସେମାନେ କେତେ
MySQL
ଦିନ ରହିଲେ?
here?
Ready?
MySQL, what concept are
ବାବା
going to be
ମାସେ
teach here?
ସଜାଡ଼ିଥିଲେ
In the
ନା
MySQL,
ବାବାଙ୍କୁ ପାଣି ଗରମ
Python with
କରିଦଉଥିଲେ?
MySQL, how we are interacting, that is first you will understanding, and Python scripting, how we are writing for interacting database,
କଣ
you
ହେଲା ତାପରେ
understand,
ସେଟା ପୁରା
and later
ଯାଇଥିଲା ପଡି, ଆମେ
MySQL
ତ ପାଣି 5
related,
ଟଙ୍କା
MySQL how downloading, what are the versions there, which one top version, okay, latest version, how downloading and installing. Later that their commands there, like DDL commands, DML commands, DQL commands, TCL commands, DCL commands, okay, na? So like this all queries related you will get it. Those all queries we
ଏବେ
can use
ବର୍ଷା ଦିନ
from the
ଅଧିକ ଏବେଠୁ
Python.
ବର୍ଷା ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେଲା,
And
ଆମେ ଏବେଠୁ
when we are
ୟୁଜ କରିବା,
installing
ମାନେ
the
ଏଇ ସମୟରେ ଯଦି
MySQL
ଖରାପ ହେଲା
workbench
ଦେଖ, ଆମେ
GUI tool
କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁଅସଲି
also
ୟୁଜ
we are
କରିବା,
getting automatically.
କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁଅସଲି କେତେ ତକ ୟୁଜ
So
କରିବା?
that workbench how we can use real time people using
ଜାନୁଆରୀ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ
workbench,
ୟୁଜ
how
ହବ।
we are able to use these all things. I'll guide you guys.
ତା ଭିତରେ
Okay, and regarding this
କ୍ଲାସ ଚାଲିଛି,
dynamic language,
ଏବେ ଜାନୁଆରୀ
okay,
ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ
so it does the mean that only the memory is going to save or any other reasons?
Memory related only, guys. Dynamic related means based on the data, memory is automatically deciding. And also sometimes same identifiers, if multiple times if we are creating, okay, naming concepts coming. So Python automatically deciding which one deleting, which one required to maintain in the memory. These all things we are not required to focusing. Python itself focusing.
So do we need to declare data type here in this Python?
No need to define the data type before the variable name.
Okay,
Dynamically it is deciding based on the given value.
okay, okay. Thank you.
Yes, thank
So
you.
will you also teach data visualization using Python, like for Power BI or any other thing?
No, here the pandas related, NumPy related, these all things I'll explain. Data visualization separate course, that one. Okay, na? So Power BI separate course. If you are learning Power BI related course separately, then you can do
Yes.
data visual analysis related.
No, like using Python also we can do more.
Yes, yes. I mean, combination of these all things performing data analysis related. In pandas module, we can do some data analysis related. I mean, if we are having JSON files or Excel files with a huge amount of data, from that we can filter out our data, whatever we required. Okay, so that is nothing but data analysis related. So pandas module related, I'll let you know, no problem. With the JSON files, with the CSV files, with the Excel files, these all we are going to discuss.
Yes.
Yes. Vishal, tell me.
Sir, actually, we are trying to log in our pre-demo section. I'm
କହୁଛନ୍ତି
getting
କି ଧର 6
4
ମାସ
marks
ୟୁଜ
on that section.
କେମିତି କିଏ କହିବ କୋଉଠି 6 ମାସ ଆମେ ସଂସାରରେ ଦେଖିବୁ 5 ମାସ ୟୁଜ
Actually, without backup videos, while we are trying to log in, register to this section.